Hello, I'm Chad with Butler Contracting. I am the team lead, and today we're doing a chain link fence installation. This fence here, customer said that it's pushing 60 years. So one section, a tree fell on it, and that was actually a newer section of his fence. In this other side here, the 100-foot side was just aged out, roughly 60 years old. Without the storm damage in the post rod at the ground, it's actually held up quite well, but it was time for a new one. It was reinforced with T-posts, so it was showing signs of failure. So at this job, the first challenge was removing roughly a 25 to 30 inch stump. We got it out of there with the 450 Vermeer, but stumps can be very difficult. So it's one of those things that it might take 2 to 3 hours to remove. I'd say a couple hours I was working at it. It was rotted, but it was solid on the inside. Today we did a fence removal and a reinstall with 110 feet. That's pretty much a full day, including that stump removal. We like to get 200 to 300 feet per day. A lot of variables that go into that. Today we did a fence removal and a reinstall with 110 feet. That's pretty much a full day, including that stump removal. So give or take anywhere from 100 to maybe even 300 a day. Gates always slow you down. Today we didn't have any gate installations. He has a couple of them that have already been installed in other sections of the fence, and we just had to do the boundary between the two residents.